Making small talk. How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and watched movies. It was relaxing. I stayed home and watched movies.
Nice weather today, isn't it? Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, finally some sunshine. Yes, finally some sunshine.
What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
I usually go cycling or meet up with friends. I usually go cycling or meet up with friends.
Have you tried the new cafe down the street? Have you tried the new cafe down the street?
Not yet, but I've heard good things. Not yet, but I've heard good things.
How long have you lived in this city? How long have you lived in this city?
Almost 3 years now. Almost 3 years now.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
Mostly pop and a bit of jazz. Mostly pop and a bit of jazz.
Did you watch the game last night? Did you watch the game last night?
No, I missed it. Was it good? No, I missed it. Was it good?
Got any weekend plans? Got any weekend plans?
I might visit my cousin and relax. I might visit my cousin and relax.
How do you usually get to work? How do you usually get to work?
I take the tram. It's fast and easy. I take the tram. It's fast and easy.
Do you like working here? Do you like working here?
Yes, the team is great and the work is interesting. Yes, the team is great and the work is interesting.
Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person?
Not really. I prefer late mornings. Not really. I prefer late mornings.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I love spring. Everything feels fresh. I love spring. Everything feels fresh.
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a 10-minute walk from here. Yes, just a 10-minute walk from here.
How do you usually spend your Sundays? How do you usually spend your Sundays?
I read a book and cooked something nice. I read a book and cooked something nice.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
I enjoy it when I have time. I enjoy it when I have time.
Have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a great comedy last weekend. Yes, I watched a great comedy last weekend.
What do you usually do after work? What do you usually do after work?
I go to the gym or take a walk. I go to the gym or take a walk.
Is this your first time at this event? Is this your first time at this event?
Yes, and I'm really enjoying it. Yes, and I'm really enjoying it.
Do you follow any sports? Do you follow any sports?
I'm into football and a bit of tennis. I'm into football and a bit of tennis.
What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read?
Mostly fiction, especially thrillers. Mostly fiction, especially thrillers.
How was your day? How was your day?
Pretty good, just a bit busy. Pretty good, just a bit busy.
Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee in the morning, tea in the evening. Coffee in the morning, tea in the evening.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Toast and eggs or just a smoothie. Toast and eggs or just a smoothie.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town by the sea. I grew up in a small town by the sea.
What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday?
Probably New Year's. It feels like a fresh start. Probably New Year's. It feels like a fresh start.
Have you traveled anywhere recently? Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I went to Prague last month. Yes, I went to Prague last month.
Do you enjoy your job? Do you enjoy your job?
Most days, yes, it keeps me challenged. Most days, yes, it keeps me challenged.
Do you usually cook or order food? Do you usually cook or order food?
A bit of both, depending on the day. A bit of both, depending on the day.
Are you working on any hobbies? Are you working on any hobbies?
I've started learning guitar recently. I've started learning guitar recently.
How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee?
With milk and no sugar. With milk and no sugar.
What's your favorite way to relax? What's your favorite way to relax?
Taking a warm bath and listening to music. Taking a warm bath and listening to music.
Do you enjoy going out or staying in? Do you enjoy going out or staying in?
I prefer staying in with good company. I prefer staying in with good company.
Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages?
A little German and French. A little German and French.
How do you stay active? How do you stay active?
I go hiking on the weekends. I go hiking on the weekends.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m. on weekdays. Around 7 a.m. on weekdays.
Do you like your neighborhood? Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and very green. Yes, it's quiet and very green.
How do you spend your lunch break? How do you spend your lunch break?
I usually eat outside and get some fresh air. I usually eat outside and get some fresh air.
Do you like watching TV series? Do you like watching TV series?
Yes, especially crime dramas. Yes, especially crime dramas.
What's your favorite type of food? What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian, pasta and pizza. I love Italian, pasta and pizza.
Which response is correct for a casual question? A. I'm not discuss this. B. I no want to say. C. I'd rather not talk about it, thanks. D. No answer I give. Which question is polite and natural? A. What you do. B. What do you do for work? C. What your job is. D. You do what? Which sentence is in the present perfect tense? A. I have watched that movie last night. B. I have seen that movie before. C. I seen that movie already. D. I was saw that movie. Which expression is appropriate for small talk? A. I don't care about your life. B. Be quiet, please. C. How's your day going? D. You're wasting my time.